urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, east central Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lake County in northeastern Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Chesterland, or 7 miles southeast of Willow Wick, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chariton, Mentor, Willoughby, Chesterland, Mayfield Heights, Wycliffe, Willoughby Hills, Highland Heights, Kirtland, Pepper Pike, Mayfield, Gate Mills, Hunting Valley, Kirtland Hills, Waite Hill, and Aquila. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Lake.